Good morning, guys. So today I was watering my potatoes and I wanted to show you, hey, how you like my dream box? That thing is awesome. But besides that, that's not what it is. But I wanted to show you my potatoes. They're already growing. We just did this last week. It's kind of creepy. Check it out. So this one was the one that I had in my pantry. And I can't tell you how long this thing been in my pantry. And by the way, this one is not organic. So the fact that this one is already sprouting and has been in my pantry, I want to say months. I brought it, no lie, I think for Thanksgiving. And it was sitting there. Usually Lexton is the one that eats sweet potatoes, and I meant to make it for him, but I never did. And it was just sitting there, and I mean, nothing happened to the potato. But I decided to go for it because I couldn't find another organic sweet potato. And I decided, hey, let's go for it and just put this one in water just so I can get rid of it, just in case my other one didn't sprout that I found at the store. But look, it's sprouting already. It's kind of creepy. Then, I'll make you guys laugh. The one that's sprouting here, actually, are the my baby potatoes. Like the one that I just brought. The one I brought at the store has nothing. See, nothing. Maybe that's it right there at the end. But it has nothing so far. And my baby tiny potatoes, because they are organic, are sprouting. Do you see that? And it's only been a week, people, a week. So of course I have them here right next to the sun. So I think because this one been in my pantry for a decade, is gonna sprout, and my 3 little ones, I think we're good. I think we'll be able to get sprouts out of it. Besides, this one is not organic either, but don't forget that one, I couldn't find anything organic at the store. So, but I'm happy that my baby ones are sprouting. I'm kind of this one is just a surprise that is sprouting this quickly. But I think it's because it's been in my pantry for a decade. But isn't that creepy that I had this potato in my pantry since November and nothing happened to it? Like, it didn't spoil. It didn't, like, nothing happened to it. It was still good for me to cook. Isn't that creepy? I think that's creepy. But this is why we do what we do. But now that I know that my little ones sprout, I will be using my little ones going forward. I hope it gives me a lot of sprouts, a lot of foliage, and a lot of roots. It looks like it. So, and then I don't have to use this one, because this one is really creeping me out. But that was it, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And I figured I'd let you guys freak out with me. Because, man, November. I brought it like 2 weeks before Thanksgiving. That's creepy, people. That's creepy. So, see you guys later. I will give you another update. Maybe in a couple of weeks. I'll wait for it to sprout. I won't do it this quickly. But I didn't expect it to be sprouting right now. So that's a shocker. Thank you for watching, guys. Later.